Thank you so much for
Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel! Bakit nanginginig ang video ni Mami Costa? May lakad kami today! Say hi, Mami. Hi, hi, hi. Ayun sila, we're getting ready. Maya-maya tatawag na yung sundo namin. Si Kuya, si Daddy, si Tita Christine nasa loob ng kwarto. Saan kami pupunta ngayon? Pupunta kami sa Desert Safari! Woo! O, di ba ako lang yung masaya?
Tagal naman bago ma-post yan.
Hindi, pipiliin natin mai-edit agad. Magde-desert safari kami. First time nilang lahat. Ako lang ang hindi. Kasi nakapunta na ako dati doon. O di, ako nang nakapunta. Oh, say hi,
Sabi ni
Gavin.
Kuya Lance, ikaw na Mother Nature.
Oh, ikaw, Mother Nature. So, papunta kami ng desert safari. Ngayon, hinihintay na lang namin yung sundo namin. So, kasama dun sa package na in-avail namin is yung pick up, drop off. Yan. So, pipick upin kami dito sa bahay. Then, iyahatid din kami mamayang pauwi. Yan. So, hindi ako magdadrive today. Thank you so much. So, kita-kits tayo doon later! Pababa na kami. Ayan na yung sundo namin. Nasa elevator na kami.
Ito po yung sundo namin, elevator.
Ayun sila. Go, go, go. Backside of the building daw. Straight ahead. Kanan ka ng konti, Dad. Nandiyan na siya. So, hanapin natin si Kuya. Where are you, Kuya? Doon banda. Meron siyang... Ayan, yung malaki, yung Land Cruiser na to. Ayan na si Kuya. Eto na yon. Feeling ko eto na yon. Tama. Brother, where are you? Kasi ito yung kinuhaan niya kanina. Eto na ba yon? O dun pa?
Ito ata yung ano natin.
Hindi pa ata, dun pa. Yun. Hindi pa pala Land Cruiser. Mali. Tuwan-tuwa pa naman si Kuya, naka Land Cruiser tayo. Ayun siya, oh. Ay, hindi, maganda din. Oh, ito siya, brother. Ay! Ano yun? Oh no! Syuhada! May nagtatapon ng water. Very bad. Nabasa ka, baby?
Yeah.
Sa likod yung iba.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Right?
Yes, total
One
6.
more person, so do one thing. This guy and the rest three can sit in the middle. Two go back.
Ah, 2 go back.
Or
O,
if you
2
want
go
to
back
take
na
him also
kayo.
at the back, you can do.
Ah, okay. O, sige na. Go. Sakay na kayo. Back na kayo, Tin.
Likod na ako.
Ah,
We
likod.
have one more person.
Ah, one more person.
So put him
Gavin.
in the front.
Yeah, so better he will sit in the front.
Sa guy.
Yes.
So maybe guy didn't know.
Ah, no problem. Ano ba yun? Very bad naman this person. Nagtatapon ng tubig basta-basta.
Yeah, but we don't
Yeah.
know who is that.
It's okay. What to do? Okay. Dito tayo lahat sa gitna, ma. Para yung isa sa harapan na lang siya.
Okay, guys, go ahead.
Okay. Ah, sige, ma. Go. Yan. Ay, o, di ba may pabuhangin pa siya, oh. Alay ko, nauntog pa ako. Ayan. So, may isa daw kaming kasabay. Sa harapan na lang siya.
Okay lang kayo dyan?
Yes. Excited. Buti na lang nakasombrero ko. Loko-loko yung bigla na lang nagtapon.
Ako na basa ako.
Pasalamin ako.
Ito namang anak ko. See you later.
Ah, ito na rin yun. Ito na rin yung gagamitin.
Dito tayo mag
Roll up to the party. We just came to party till that liquor all gone. Roll up to the party.
Tawag na, wag na.
Eto na! Magsisimula na! We're here na sa entrance.
Are you okay then?
Pinabawasan niya siguro yung hangin na di.
Luko-luko ka.
Ayan, nasa entrance na kami.
Nasusuka ako?
Ang arte.
Wala pa pala.
Pinag-seatbelt na kami. Meron pa. Ano, agad-agad?
Candy.
Baka balunok mo yung candy.
Oo,
ha?
wag na muna. Mamaya na. Bibigay ko lang sa'yo eh. So, binabawasan muna niya yung ano, yung hangin siguro.
Kailan siya may mga nag-ano?
May nagka-quad bike ko. Oh, di ba? Ayun. Oh, ayun o, yung mga nagka-quad bike.
Magkano kaya yun?
Doon sa tumataba.
Sagot ko na, 15 din ka.
So, we're gonna
Sa
start.
100s yan.
Inaayos yung sasakyan.
I just want them bad boys, bad boys, bad boys. We just came to party till the liquor all gone. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. We just came to party till the liquor all gone. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. I just want them bad boys, bad boys, bad boys. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. We just came to party till the liquor all gone. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. I just want them bad boys, bad boys, bad boys. Look into my eyes, they're showing like stars in the sky. I can be the one for you. Tell me what I want. I'm gonna get you higher. Baby, I'm the trigger gunfire. I can be a secret admirer. The way you turn me out like an amplifier. Look into my eyes. They're showing like stars in the sky. I can be the one for you. Tell me what I want. Look into my eyes. They're showing like stars in the sky. I can be the one for you. Tell me what I want. I just want them bad boys, bad boys, bad boys. We just came to party till the liquor all gone. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. We just came to party till the liquor all gone. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. I just want them bad boys, bad boys, bad boys. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. We just came to party till the liquor all gone. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. I just want them bad boys, bad boys, bad boys. Look into my eyes, they're showing like stars in the sky. I can be the one for you. Tell me what I want.
Not payment, it will.
Yes, andito na kami. Ari ko. We're here now. Ang aga namin, super aga. Brother, this is 500. You can keep the change, brother. No problem. Yay! We're here now. We're done with the dune bashing. Ito yung area. Ito yung campsite.
Do the quad biking?
No, we're not gonna do it.
Like,
But how much is it, brother?
you just like let me know. This is like starting time, so you can get good price. But let me know how many bikes if you want to go.
Ah. How many rides, right? For example,
You can sit single person and double person.
double or single.
Yeah.
How much is the double person?
Double person, the normal price like these guys will give you, it will be cost you around 250. But if you want, I tell him he'll give you at 150 like the single price.
For double person. For single person, it's cheaper. It's more expensive.
The single person one, I'm telling you,
Uh,
you can use two of them. They can take double. The same price I give you the double bikes.
okay.
One person is 150. You can take then two people. Take for two people, it's 250. But I tell him he give you for two people.
What do you think? Not
If you
for
want,
now, no?
This guy is already going, so you can go in a group.
Not for now, brother. We'll enjoy first the.
Later he will not give you the same price. You
Oh, it's okay.
talk to them. He will not give you the same.
Sure. Thank
Everyone's
you.
come on the front,
Yes.
so that is a guide. He will explain you.
Okay, this is the camp area. So sabi niya, mamaya daw marami ng tao dito. So it's a good thing that we arrived earlier. So tapos na kami sa dune bashing. So mamaya punong-puno na to. Matingkad ang sikat ng araw, pero hindi naman super init. Medyo mahangin. Medyo mahirap maglakad. Daddy, you find a better seat na for us. We'll just go to restroom. Naihina ako eh. Okay. I'll go first there. Gavin, you go to restroom. The other side, anak. Doon sa gents. Are you sure? So, sama daw muna kami sa kanya. So, ito yung mga silya mamaya. So, dito yung soft drinks mamaya din. Ang galing. We're so early. Sorry. Kakasigaw ko kanina sa dune bashing. Nagkaroon ako ng halak. So, dito yung henna painting. Yung Arabic costume. Tsaka yung parang souvenir shop nila. Yan. Yung falcon, ayun no, yung falcon bird. Budo may mga extrang bayad yan. Hindi namin siya kasama sa package. Okay.
You guys hear him for a minute.
Sure.
Okay?
Hello, how are you?
Hi.
Come here.
Yeah,
Okay.
separate है ये लोग 5+1 ये और ये अकेला ये bike.
Okay.
सबको explain करो ये सब बात.
Kids, come on.
It's okay.
It's okay? Okay.
I am the camp guide. I will come here. I will guide you about your activities, about your package first inside, and then I will show you seats. Okay.
Mm-mm.
First of all, after the short camera is already included in the package.
Mhm.
Inside the camera, sometimes small package will be there.
Mhm.
Last camera have package also for the picture. If you want to do the package also for the video.
There you go, the camels. Nagpapahinga pa sila. Mamaya sasakyan namin yan.
Asan ang nagpapaswal? Yung mga yan.
Yes, ayun pa oh. Yes. We're gonna go nearby sa camel. There the camel. Yay! Yay! Yes.
We horse, oh. We horse.
Okay, additional 20.
What's that, Daddy? What's that?
It's okay. Just give me this. And
Okay.
take a picture, right?
Ah,
Right? This one with your... Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's go.
No problem. As long as we picture only. Okay, let's go.
20.
Huh?
120.
120?
20 each. Boss, 20 each, right? How about this?
120 is for...
100. Okay.
100 is for...
Extra yung para sa malayo.
Ano
lang to, 1 minute lang to, dito lang.
Okay, hi! Hello! Tahimik sila, oh. Medyo hirap kami lumakad. Hello, ayan, daw masunog tayo. Wow, come here. We're gonna ride now. Who will take photo and video? Okay. You will use our cameras? Yes, ayan na, oo.
Tita, harap ka.
Sampaling kita dyan.
Daddy!
Tita, pag sa harap ako,
Yes.
hindi ka makakapag-video.
Daddy
Ulo ko.
make sure.
Ano
Don't ano ma, don't ano.
Surprise asawa.
Don't sir. Hawak mo natin. Later the video, you have to make sure na nakahawak ka muna sa umpisa. Pag naka-stable na siya, then that's the time you take video. Daddy, si Gavin ha, alalayan mo. Mami.
I don't like in the pants.
Okay. Nasakay lang kami. Yay! Wow, are you okay? So we have started camel riding now because later on a lot of people will be here. So ayan, be good to us, baby camel. No, it's not a baby anymore. Ayun sila. Owa! Hi! Yay! If you wanted to be a little bit far pa, Owa. Hi! If you wanted to be a little bit farther, additional 20 per head. Pero kung yun lang nandun, 1 minute ride lang yun, iikot ka lang nila. So, naku, nagpupo na siya. So, dito, okay lang, magbabayad na lang kami ng additional 20 per head para lang medyo ma-enjoy namin yung camel riding. Kasi matagal-tagal to. Tsaka may kasama kasi siyang photos. Yan. Ang view. Pinong-pino. So, maaga talaga. 3 o'clock ng hapon. Nasa initan kami. Hi, brother!
Hi.
I gave you a bike, won't it?
Oh, no, I don't want. No. Oh my God. Oh my God.
James.
Brother, take this one also.
Dito kami.
Yay! Nagbi-video siya. Di bale, I'll transfer na lang to the desktop yan, Wowa. That video. Para makuhaan. Yay!
Papa, James, mga kapatid ko.
Yay! Ang saya. So mamaya, mami, pag upo, mauuna tong harap. Pag tayo sa likod, umuna. Gavin, are you enjoying, Gavin? Ay, si Kuya, ang tibay ni Kuya sa initan, no? Yun yung iba, oh. Tsaka palang nagdudun bashing pa lang sila. Ayan, oh, yun, oh. Yun, oh, dun bashing sila. Ay, nakakaitim lang talaga ng kamay. Hindi ako nag-sunblocked. Ayun! Ngayon lang daw sila nakakita ng train. Ayun, nandun sa dulo. Yes. Pero pang cargo yata yan eh. I'm not sure. Ayun no, yung ibang camping site oh. Wala, huminto siya. Huminto siya. Ayaw niya. Mami! Okay, so susubukan nilang mag-sandboarding. Since kasama naman to sa package namin. Yun yung mag-aama ko. Yeah. So they have to go up. Para matry nila. Are you sure dyan kayo? Ang init ah. Oh, be careful ah. Ano, hindi ka nag long sleeve eh. Ikaw kasi. Sabi ng Kuya Bert mo, mag long sleeve ka eh. Hirap na hirap umakyat si Gabi. Oh, there na. Go! Dito na kayo.
Mama, wait lang.
Ano natin?
Bilisan nyo!
Oh, we have to transfer daw. Kulit talaga eh. Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
Ay nako, Chris.
Naiwan. Pagpadaos-dos ka na. Yee! Transfer din daw kasi. Doon daw dapat. Ito lang ang struggle. Hirap maglakad. Oh.
No.
Ayan sila daddy.
Sa buhanginan. Nasaan na sila?
Ayun ma oh.
Huwag ka na umanot, hindi mo na.
Galing ni kuya oh.
Hingal lang.
Ayun na sila daddy. Come on, come on. Ano, nakatayo. Nakatayo si kuya. Ayaw niya yan. Nakatayo ka pa. Kaya mo yan.
Oh my goodness.
Dali.
Fish yung baluga to ah. Ang init, parang mainit.
Game. Yee!
Sobrang laki ni kuya. Wala lang kuya.
Diretso.
Kuya, wala lang ah.
Akyat ka doon. Yee!
Ang bigat niyo eh.
Ang bagay.
Mabigat kayo eh.
Tama na yung kalokohan nyo.
Hoy, tama na, nakinit. Sobrang laki nila.
Ayan na. Oh. Oh. Ang galing.
Gusto ko pa.
Tama na. Sobrang init na kami. Hirap maging videographer ha.
Mo yakyat?
Mag-Arabic costume si Wawa. Kaya pipicturean ko. This is the balot.
Balot.
The balot. The cover.
Si Tita Aya ka na.
Ha?
Si Tita Aya ka na.
Pagpunta namin ng Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Kailangan nakaganito din siya sa loob.
Init. Ano kaya nila natatagalan? Ano?
Yan. Okay. Yan. Diyan ka lang sa corner. Dito ka sa corner. Mami, dito ka. I'll take a picture of you. Game. Okay. Oh, wow. Ang gulo yan. Okay na yan. Sige. Okay. Smile. 1, 2, 3. One more. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Donya! Pa-settle down na kami dun sa pwesto. Kukuha muna kami ng coffee ng mami. Masarap yung kape, basta damihan lang daw ng gatas. Coffee. Eto na. Self-service. Ayan. Magpapalagay kami ng turban sa ulo. Ang hirap maglakad. Ayan si kuya, magpapalagay kami ng turban kasi hindi kayo marunong ni Christine. Brother, can you help me?
Just fix it.
I don't know how. Yan.
Wala na yung nagtatagal.
Ay,
Kanina
oh.
nagtatagal yung isa.
Diba? Oh, diba? Okay.
Agar na lang.
Tapos, oh. Yan.
Bagay sa'yo, bakit sa akin hindi?
Who are you? More. Wow.
Thank you, brother.
No, bro.
Yay! Ganda. Pwede.
Magsinte.
Diba? Mukha akong Araba.
Bakit
Charot.
sa akin hindi?
Bakit daw hindi sa kanya bagay? Bakit daw sa akin bagay?
Wow, naging kalbo na eh. Wala.
Hindi kasi mahaba ang hair ko. Yes! Gabi nakakuha ng food.
Hi.
Sila mami nakaano pa, nakapila pa sila mami doon. So, hi! Hello, Ijaz! Yes!
Sige lang, Mau.
Ayan, nag-explain lang sa amin yung contact namin kung anong dapat namin gawin pagkatapos daw ng show. Kaya naputol ako. So, eating time na. Sila. Wow, how's the experience?
Okay lang.
Ang bilis ng po, ang daming kinuha ni Christine, no? Ayan si Daddy. So, we have pancit, may pasta, may rice, may chicken barbecue. Ayan. Si Daddy, ewan ko, baka hindi naman na kumuha to kasi hindi maubos ni Gavin. Si Kuya wala pa. Na-stock na yun. Sana makakuha yun ng ano. Ayan na. Nakakuha kaya ng chicken barbecue si Kuya. Nakakuha ka chicken barbecue? Okay, very good. Come here na. We're gonna eat. Yay! Eating time!
Biryani.
Dali na, we're gonna close the video. Thank you for joining us for tonight. Desert Safari Tour. Yes, thank you for joining us for today's video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Mami Costa Vlog. See you again next time. Always remember, life is beautiful! Bye, everyone!